Today, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an account with OKEx, OKEx. That is this website right here, OKEx. They do not currently serve users in the United States. So I'm going to show you guys a workaround as far as how to get an account set up with OKEx. And it's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty straightforward. You will need an VPN to get started, but I'm going to walk you through all of the steps. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. And so let's go ahead and get started. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get you a VPN. Because you are located in the United States, your IP address tells OKEx that you are located in the United States. So that's the first thing you need to do, is change your IP address, and we're going to do that by using a VPN. But first, let's talk a little bit about OKEx. Not too much, just a little bit, because, you know, if you're watching this video, I'm sure you already know about OKEx. They probably have some cryptocurrencies that you can't get on Binance US or other exchanges that deal with customers in the United States. Some cryptocurrencies are just not available on the exchanges that are available for United States users. So you have to find some workarounds, and this is one way to get what you need. And I'm going to show you a little bit about OKEx. Oops. So I'm going to show you a little bit about OKEx. Now we're going to go to CoinMarketCap, and when it comes to volume, these are the top 3 exchanges. You got Huobi Global. Right now, it's number 1. It fluctuates between Binance and Huobi Global. These 3 are usually in the top 3, and when it comes to volume, right here, and you can see the number of markets: 541 for Huobi. Binance is 584, and OKEx has 381 markets. So number 3 when it comes to volume, but ranked actually number 22 overall throughout all of the cryptocurrency exchanges. But we want to focus on volume, and that's our main goal. So volume and availability, they kind of go hand in hand, and they have a decent selection. So let's sign up with OKEx, and let's get started with that process. Now, the VPN that I like to use is called Hidemyass. You can find a link for that in the description down below. Check out the link. Use that link to sign up for Hidemyass, and you can get 67% off. And it's not very expensive at all. It's like $3.99 per month. It's pretty cheap. 30-day money back guarantee. So make sure you guys check that out. Link in the description. But I'm going to show you guys how to install Hidemyass right now. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is purchase it and then download the app. I already had Hidemyass installed on my PC. I uninstalled it so that we can go through this video together, and I can show you guys how to install and set up Hidemyass VPN so you can get started and create your account on OKEx and start trading in some cryptocurrencies. So first thing you want to do, try Hidemyass risk-free, sign up, download the app. Remember where you downloaded it. Download it to your desktop or download it to your downloads folder. And we are going to do that. I'm using Windows, so if you're using Mac, the procedure is going to be different. I'm sure you know how to install software on your Mac. It's not rocket science. It's not difficult on Windows either. So we're going to go through this real quickly. And we're going to go to the downloads, because that's where I have it installed. And we're going to go to software. And that's it right there. HMA Pro VPN setup. So that's what we're going to do. Let's move this over into the middle. Install it, double click it. Real easy, right? Double click it, select yes. Let's install it. Choose the language that you want to install Hidemyass in. We're going to go with English. Accept the end user license agreement. Read through that. Hit next. Choose the location where you would like to install it. We're going to go with next. This folder already exists because, like I said, I already had it installed. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? So we're going to hit yes. That probably won't pop up when you're installing it, so just continue forward, and then we're going to hit install. Oh, why is it saying restart? the installation / removal of previous program was not completed. You will need to restart your computer to complete that installation. After restarting your computer, run setup again to complete the installation of HMA VPN. No, I will restart mine. Would you like to restart? No, I'll restart later. I have an idea. Maybe if I install this in a different folder. Let's try that. We want to do that. Next. There we go. So I'm going to install it on my computer. Different folder. Just because I've already installed it previously and I do not wish to restart my computer right now because I have a node running, and I have a Divi node running, and I have a Theta node running on my desktop over here, there. And I do not wish to restart that. Oops, let's go there. So we are finished with that, and now we have HMA. So the selection you will want to, let's close this up. The selection you will want to choose is either join now or already purchased. You should be already choosing, you should have already purchased because you used the link down in the description down below, and you should have your license already. So just check your email, your license information should be there. So we're going to click already purchased, and we're going to hit enter activation code. And I'm going to go to my my email, get the activation code, and we're going to set that up. All right, so I have the activation code. We're going to copy and paste it. We can't right click on it, so we're just going to hit Control V, which is paste, and that will put our activation code in, and then we will hit the activate button. Choose that, select success. Your VPN license has been activated. Got it. All right, so we are going to close this up. Choose from over 190 countries, including servers specifically optimized for peer-to-peer file sharing and video streaming. All right, so we're going to skip all of that stuff. We don't need that. See even more awesomeness? Click more for quick access to your most important features and settings. Okay, we got it. That's my original IP address right there, right now. And we are going to connect to South Africa. So we're going to search South Africa, and we're going to connect to South Africa, and you will see the original IP is still there. And oh, we got to turn it on. Connection secured, connecting to South Africa. Stay private but automatically whenever the app is started. No, we don't want to automatically connect. All right, so we are connected. New IP refresh. No, we don't want to refresh. That's my original IP, and that is my new IP address right now, showing that I am in Johannesburg, South Africa. So we are ready to go on to the next step, which is minimize HMA, and we will go to the exchange. So we're going to go to OKEx right here. Link will be in the description for that, so just use the link down below in the description to get to OKEx and sign up. So we're going to sign up here. Click the sign up button. We're going to put our email address in, and we are going to select a password as well. So I don't know what email address I used before, so let's just go with this one. Now we do the slider thingy and enter a 6-digit code. We sent a code to the email address, so we're going to save the password for this one. Now I'm going to go get the 6-digit code from my email address, 007201. All right, your code is done. Welcome. We're glad you're here. I have crypto. I want to buy crypto, I like to buy crypto on OKEx and get started. Buy crypto, earn $10 in free Bitcoin. So there's an option right there. You can earn $10 in Bitcoin for free. Somehow, some way. I don't know how that's going to work out, being that you're in South Africa and you may not have a credit card that works for South Africa or with a South African address. But anyway, so we're going to go to, I have crypto. I already own crypto. I like to use OKEx for trading. So we're going to deposit some crypto, because chances are you're here because you want to deposit some BTC or something like LTC or something so that you can start trading. But let's skip this part right here and go to assets. Well, let's go to my account, right? Let's go to the KYC verification, because this is what we need to do. Let's go to my assets first. I'm going to show you something. Security tip. Okay, your account security level is too low. Please enable at least one identity verification. So we're going to link up Google Authenticator. You need to download Google Authenticator from the Google Play Store or from the iOS App Store. And then you link that, set that up. That's iOS, that's the Android link right there. I am not going to do that right now because I've already done it and I don't want to have another OKEx in my authenticator. So you would just simply scan the barcode or enter that key in manually right there, and that way you can set it up. It's pretty straightforward. No surprises there. But what I want to show you is, let's see if I can get into my assets without the verification thing again popping up. All right, so let's see if we wanted to withdraw. Let's just go to USD Tether so that way we can see what we would be withdrawing in dollar amount right now. Don't meet the conditions. Okay, so verification. Withdrawal limits for identity verification level 1 and level 2 are 200 BTC and 500 BTC respectively. So we're going to do this step. This step right here, the authenticator, that's pretty easy. I'm not going to go to that. We're going to do this step and we'll show you what you need to do to get past this part so that you can remove some cryptocurrencies. 200 BTC. Alright, so we're going to click verify. South Africa is a nationality. We'll leave that as is. And we're going to choose driver's license. ID document number. I put in, I actually put my driver's license number in. It's not for South Africa. It is a Pennsylvania driver's license. So I just simply put that number in, which was, I believe, a 7-digit number or something like that. And it worked. So I'm going to put in a 7-digit number. 42567. That is 6 numbers. That is 5. We'll just do one more. 2, 3. Okay. Give a name. We're going to put a name in. We're going to put Robert Smith. We'll just go with Ali. What the hell? Let's just go with Smith. We're going to go with Robert Smith. And we're going to hit finish. Token withdrawal verification. KYC level 1. You see that right there? KYC level 1 complete. Easy peasy, right? Linking email complete. Now we just need to set up 2FA and then set up a funds password and we're all set. We can start withdrawing. We can start trading on OKExchange with no issues. Now, I'm not going to fully set up this account because I've already got an account that's set up and ready to go. I'll just show you the inside of that account and show you that I actually did some trades and that it's legit. You can actually trade on OKExchange. I'm not just pulling your leg and showing you a bunch of random BS, even though it doesn't look like that. But let me show you what my account looks like. So we're going to log into my account. We're going to close this out and go into my account. I should still be logged in. Hopefully it'll make me log back in. Let's see. Yep, I am still logged in. Bitcoin's at $9,000 right now. Hopefully it'll be a lot higher by the time you see this video. Hopefully. Alright, so where are we? BTC, blah blah blah, spot currency. I think we need to go here. OKEx.com. There we go. Now we can go into assets, my assets, and we can look at the history. Withdrawal, deposit history, hide small balances. Okay. Oh, funding account history. Maybe that's it. Loading. Aha, here we go. All right, so you can see there were some transactions. There was a withdrawal, 120 CRO. That left me with a balance of zero fees. Zero fees. Interesting. Transferred in. Okay. This was the deposit right here. Plus 14 US dollars in Tether, just to test it out and make sure that everything worked okay. And it did work out fine, so, you know, it worked. Yeah, it works. I deposited $14 in Tether, transferred it out of my deposit account into the trading account, because you have to have a trading account. You have to use a trading account when you're dealing with OKEx. You get two accounts. You get a deposit account where you can deposit all your cryptos into one wallet, and then you transfer it out of that account into your trading account. And then you go to the exchange and you trade on OKEx exchange section. You go here to the markets, and that's where you do your trading. We're gonna go back. But as you can see, I deposited some coin, transferred it into, I did some trading accounts. Let's see what we got here. Okay. To funding account and minus 14, so other accounts, assets, withdrawal. Oh, there we go. Okay, so this withdrawal complete. CRO. Purchased some CRO tokens, some crypto.com tokens from OKEx just to test the exchange out, and it worked. It worked out just fine. I was able to withdraw my CRO tokens, and you can see the proof right here. So that's it, man. It's really just that simple. You can withdraw up to 200. You can withdraw up to 200 BTC from OKEx once you get this set up. And yeah, that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications. Why am I pointing like that? That looks crazy. Hit the bell icon down there for notifications so you can subscribe to my channel and get some more awesome content when I upload some more awesome content, tutorials, how to get around stuff like this video here, how to get around the roadblocks that are unnecessary roadblocks and achieve what you want to achieve. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment, bell for notifications. Check out the description box. All of the links for everything that you need to get this done are in the description box down below. So that's it, man. Peace.